Hurry up. Here, put on your hat and coat now. Daddy's waiting. We're going to move today. See?
Come on now, make it snappy. Gotta move to our new house in the city. Come on, come on.
See, you must hurry. We're moving to a nice, big new home. Not me! No, I don't want to go to Oh, why, what an ultra lovely!